you know someone named Jarvis Butts?
Yes, I do.
How do you know Jarvis Butts?
I first met him, we worked together at a shop called Frank's, and then we owned the shop together.
Okay. And do you see Jarvis Butts in the courtroom today?
No.
Would you be able to stand up so you can look around?
Yes. No.
When did you meet Mr. Butts?
2018.
And you said you two worked together initially at a place called Frank's?
Frank's.
All right. Where was Frank's at?
He has a couple locations. He has 7, but the one I met him at was on Warren and Neff.
We know there were no pings at the Frank's auto location on Warren and Neff, which leaves the door open. Someone else could have been carrying Jarvis Butts' phone that day. But looking at the testimony and the evidence, that shop only comes up when the attorneys are asking if people even recognize the area. As it relates to Jarvis Butts' cell phone, there were no phone pings shown before 4:09 p.m. on the 9th of January. No phone pings shown between 4:09 p.m. and 6:38 p.m. on the 9th of January. During the preliminary trial, there was no solid proof that Jarvis was at the shop on the 9th of January, other than Tashiana Davis, stating she, quote, took Jarvis to court that morning, but he did not have to stay. And Cordell King Wright, replying, yes, Jarvis was at the shop when Ms. Ripley asked.
Mr. Wright, I'm approaching people's proposed exhibits 4, 5, and 6. Can you look at these and tell me if you recognize those?
I recognize this one, and this one.
Okay. And those are those a fair and accurate depiction of the Frank's auto shops? At least 2 of them on Warren and the other one maybe on Harper?
Yes.
Okay. Which is the one that's on Harper?
The last one on the inside.
Notice when asked, King stated that the image shown was the shop on Harper. From the exterior view, the shop on Connor and Harper looks very different from the shop on Warren and Neff.
And those are those a fair and accurate depiction of the Frank's auto shops? At least 2 of them on Warren and the other one maybe on Harper?
Yes.
Okay. Which is the one that's on Harper?
The last one on the inside.
Okay. And that's People's Exhibit, proposed Exhibit 6?
Yes.
Okay. You're not moving for the admission of People's 4, 5, and 6?
Any objection? No objection. They'll be admitted as People's Exhibits 4, 5, and 6.
Thank you, Judge. How long did you work at Frank's with Mr. Butts?
A few years.
About how many years would you estimate?
2.
And when did that change from Frank's to another shop?
Maybe in 23 sometime.
Okay. Would it be earlier in the year or later in the year?
Maybe mid, maybe in May. Well, maybe April, May.
And then where did you guys work then?
We got a shop together on 9,000 Connor.
And what is at 9,000 Connor?
A sicko, a car wash, and our shop was in the middle of both.
You're a man, George?
Yes.
Mr. Wright, I'm handing you what's marked as People's Proposed Exhibits 7 and 8. Can you look at those and tell me if you recognize them?
Yes, I recognize.
Okay. And are those a fair and accurate depiction of your shop at 9,000 Connor?
Yes, it is.
And you're not with the admission of People's Proposed Exhibits 7 and 8?
Any objection? No objection. They'll be admitted as People's Exhibits 7 and 8.